What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be announcing the 2 giveaway winners on the Amber Headlight Delete kit, which I have right here in my hand. And we're going to just announce that. It's going to be a super quick video, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Alright, so of course, if you guys didn't watch that video on the delete kit, it looks freaking awesome overall. I know you guys can't really see it right now because it is nighttime, but if you haven't watched it, check it out. It's in the description box below. We do have 2 lucky winners today, which I'm going to be announcing to you guys. So, of course, one thing I did want to let you guys know, there is a upcoming event on March 20th, so hopefully you guys can be there. Go check it out. It'll be some good times, and of course, there's going to be a bunch of vendors, so if you guys do want to purchase some off-road products, you guys can do it there. I might be bringing some products from Beast Fab, so you guys can probably check that out as well. Alright, you guys, so of course, looking right here on my YouTube channel, you're gonna notice the one that says 2016 plus Toyota Tacoma Headlight Amber Delete Kit install and a double giveaway. So that's the video that we did do this giveaway for, the drawing. Like I had said in the beginning, there's going to be 2 lucky winners. Of course, with me, I did go with the Tier D version just because it looks freaking awesome. But some of you guys did want the blank one. So in my hand, I have the both winners. So let's go ahead and go right here. I'm going to be using a website called commonpicker.com. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link right here. We're going to go to commonpicker.com right over here. We're going to paste the link. After I've now pasted the link, you're going to notice filter duplicate users. We're going to go ahead and get the YouTube comments. Let's see how many people entered. It says there's 118. So let's go ahead and now hit start and see who the first winner is of these bad boys right here. Alright, so of course, moving_overland, it looks like you wanted either or, so either the Tier D or the blank. Since you do have first dibs, you do get to choose first. So heck yeah. And then let's go ahead and now pick another winner. Alright, cool. So Hulk Smash 8693, looks like you wanted the blank one. So I'll go ahead and give you the blank one. And there it is, you guys. So there's the 2 winners. Of course, there's going to be a lot more giveaways coming, as always. So if you guys didn't win this one, don't worry. There's always going to be a lot more in the future, so you guys can win in those. Once again, these 2 winners, if you guys can, please make sure to email me. It's going to be in the description box below. Should be towards the top. JesseRizo, yt@gmail.com. Go ahead and email me there. Let me know that you guys are the winners. And once again, from that last video, I had you guys screenshot everything for proof. I'm going to need you guys to do that. So make sure you guys email me with those proofs. And then from there, I'll go ahead and tell you guys how I can ship it out. And we'll go from there. So congrats on you 2 winners. And once again, thank you guys for watching today's video and entering these giveaways. I try to do them just for you guys. And of course, if you guys can for me, hopefully you guys can attend that event that I told you guys on March 20th. Mark your calendars. So if you guys did like today's video, I know it was super quick, but please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.